Now, as you can see, as I undo this nut, I've got to also lock the drive shaft, which I'm doing with a big old screwdriver, which I've stuck through the UJ there, and I'm holding it on the other side. So it's quite a difficult job. It's starting to loosen up now, but undoing this nut has been a struggle. 3 more to go. I'm onto the second bolt now, and as you can see, there's no grease nipple in the way, so I can get my socket on it, jam up the shaft again with the screwdriver, and try and undo it. Now again, it's tough, but if you've got the right equipment, this will be, there we go, look, a lot easier. So that's 20 minutes gone so far, and I've managed to take those 4 nuts off there, and then I pulled on the drive shaft by lifting it like this, and I managed to pull the yoke away from those drive shafts there, and you'll see on there that there are some shims which you must remove, count and keep correctly with each side of the car. So on this side there are 3 of them. If you bend them getting them off, you have to hammer them flat, straighten them out, clean off any dirt so that they fit nicely together, so that when you put them back on, that is what controls the camber of each side of the car for the rear wheels. So you've got to get that back on right. Now to this point, that's 20 minutes just to undo those 4 nuts, and I wanted to point out also that I've already removed the shock absorber, which was in here, and with that in place it's impossible to get those nuts off. I've actually removed both because I've also got to undo the locking wires that fix the caliper onto its mounting holder, and that is a very difficult job as well. So I actually removed that plate so I can get into both sides, and I removed both shock absorbers. So although it's 20 minutes so far work on this side, removing the whole cage from the car and getting it in position and stripping it down, I'm about 1 day in. I'm about 6 or 8 hours of labour in so far up to this point.